I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends up for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line. You got a way to keep me on your side. You give me cause for love that I can hide. For you I know I'd even try to turn back time. Because you're mine, I walk the line.
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Ngayong 18 ka na, kailangan mas maging mature ka kasi maraming mga challenges na kaharapin. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Along the way, dito kami ng magulang mo para sa'yo.
You've known me for being strong and independent, but now I can say that I see myself to you right now, so I'm very proud of you, of the woman that you become. And after this going to be told, so I really wish and hope that you enjoy the time that you have now, especially that you're still under our care.
We may not have the best friendship ever, but one thing for sure is that we share a lot of good memories that will definitely last.
Matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Dapat mag-aaral ka mabuti, huwag ka munang magmamadali. Kasi nandyan lang yun lahat ang mga opportunities pag ikaw ay makatapos sa pag-aaral mo.
Boy, love kita, alam mo yan. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ngayon, nadalaga ka na. This will be the most exciting chapter of your life.
I wish that the road ahead of you is paved with success and lighted by love and happiness. So, here's to more blessings, many more years of good health, love, happiness, and bright future ahead. I love you and happy birthday, Lods Brianna Denise.
I know that you do not feel complete tonight, but I'm sure that Tita is really proud to see her princess grew this far.
Kayon, maging enjoy ka lang. Enjoy mo lang yung buhay. Huwag magmamadali. Matupad mo yung mga wish at mga pangarap mo.